Have you been wondering why your hair stops reflecting your glow? Why it feels brittle, snaps when you comb it, or just looks lifeless? It's not just time or genetics, it's damage. And damaged hair isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's a signal from your hair saying it's been stressed, neglected, or pushed beyond its comfort zone. But here's the good news. You can restore your hair. In this video, I'm sharing 7 proven steps to repair damaged hair, restore strength and shine, and rebuild your hair into what you've always wanted. Stay with me because the bonus tip at the end will help keep your results lasting long-term, understanding the damage. Before we fix things, let's be clear. What are we really dealing with when we say damaged hair? Heat damage, flat irons, blow dryers, curling tools. Each time you apply high heat, you lift the hair cuticle and weaken the structure. Chemical damage, relaxers, dyes, perms, they all strip proteins and disrupt the hair's natural bond structure. Physical manipulation, overcombing, rough towel drying, tight styling all contribute to breakage. Moisture loss and porosity. When your hair loses its internal moisture and the cuticle can't close properly, your strands become fragile and brittle. What all of these have in common, they affect your hair's ability to grow and stay intact. If you have new growth, but the ends keep breaking, you'll never see length. That's why this routine isn't about just growth. It's about repair plus retention. Proven repair tips. Tip number 1. Eliminate the source of damage. If you keep doing what causes damage, you'll never heal. Reduce heat styling to once or twice a month or use the lowest setting. Stretch the time between color or relaxer services. True repair begins when you stop harming your hair. Tip number 2, deep cleansing and scalp. Reset. Your scalp is the foundation. Build it strong. Use gentle shampoo focused on the scalp. Rinse and let the cleansing water flow over the hair length. Don't scrub. Clearing buildup allows treatments to penetrate and follicles to breathe. Tip number 3, deep conditioning and bond strengthening. Damaged hair needs more than moisture. It needs structure. Use a weekly mask or bond repair treatment that targets broken internal bonds. Use products rich in proteins and amino acids, but balance with moisture so you don't overload. This is where your strands start to rebuild. Tip number 4, seal with moisture lockers. Moisture without retention equals temporary softness. After washing, apply a lightweight oil or leave-in to seal the cuticle. Rinse with cool water to close the cuticle and preserve shine. Retaining moisture means stronger, more elastic hair. Tip number 5, trim and dust regularly for health. Sometimes the only way forward is to let go of the worst parts. Trim split ends before they travel up the shaft. Use the dusting method if you want to preserve length. Healthy ends equals longer, stronger hair. Tip number 6, protect from physical stress. Every day you deal with friction, stress, environmental damage. Sleep on satin or silk. Use bonnets for textured hair. Avoid tight hair pulling styles. Opt for loose buns, twists, or protective styles. Minimize daily damage so your efforts aren't undone. Tip number 7, hydration plus internal nutrition. Strong hair comes from the inside out. Drink enough water. Include protein, iron, vitamins A and C in your diet. A healthy scalp and body equals healthier strands. Don't ignore the inner work while doing external treatments. My personal repair routine. Let me share how I went from brittle, breaking hair to healthier strands by applying these steps. I cut out heat styling for 30 days. I introduced a deep bond mask monthly in place of daily quick fixes. I began sleeping on a satin pillowcase and reducing my hair manipulation. What changed? My hair broke less. It reflected light differently. Yes, shine. And I started seeing growth that stayed. If I can do this, you can too. We've tackled the root causes. I've given you how-tos. Now it's your turn. Pick one tip from this list and apply it today. Stay consistent for 90 days because that's when real change begins. If this video encouraged you, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. My hair repair journey starts today. And subscribe for more high-value hair care deep dives every week. Remember, your hair health is connected to your self-worth. Treat it with love, patience, and consistency, and your hair will reward you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.